Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Showtime with Bilal. So actually, this is the series I am making and helping fellow marketeers that on how to give access to your employees, or maybe if there's a brand and they want to give an access to you or any of someone, then how they can give an access using Meta Business Suite. And this video is specifically focused on how to give an access of your business portfolio, right? So business portfolio is mainly used to given access to all of the assets, not just the page. But if you give an access someone to your business portfolio, they will be having an access to your ad account, your pages, your events manager, and multiple things, right? So first of all, you have to go to your page, as you can see in the screen, and on the left side, you have to click on Meta Business Suite over here. Simply click on it, and you will be redirected to this page of a Facebook page. And on the left side, you will be seeing this option, which is settings. Click on it, right? So this is the page where you have to enter the email of the concerned person, or maybe you can type their name as well if they're on Facebook already, or maybe you can paste the link of their Facebook profile URL, right? This is the page you will be redirected, and just to make sure you are under users, and it says people over here. And now, in order to add someone, you need to click on invite people. Then you have to enter the email. Let's suppose abc at, right? So now, here's the thing. Either you want to give a temporary access to this person, or you want to give them a permanent access. It is up to you. Simply click on next, and then it will ask you that which type of access do you want to give. Either is it basic or everything. So basic is already check marked, right? But if you want to give a full control, so one more information, a piece of information over here. You have to give the full control when the concerned person is going to set up the pixel events for you, or they want to set up anything for your business manager, right? Otherwise, if they just want to manage your ad account, they want to see or they want to analyze anything into your ad account or business portfolio, simply give them a partial access, right? When you click next, then here you will be seeing all the assets that you want to give access to that person. Facebook page, ad account, Pixel, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Simply check mark all the information, necessary information here. Let's suppose we check mark this over here. Then maybe it is up to you, give a partial access or full control. Let's go with the full control. We can give this. So it is up to us that which type of assets you want to give access to. Once this is done, click next, and an invitation email will be sent to that person's email. They can go to their primary email section, or maybe social email section on Gmail or Yahoo, whichever ESP they are using, right? And then they can accept your information and the invitation for your business portfolio. So that's all, and stay tuned because I will be uploading more videos on how to give access from different platforms within Facebook, and there are different ways to give access to someone, to your employee or anyone working with you. So we have covered how to give access to a meta page. Number two, we have just now covered how to give an access from business portfolio. Now, in the coming series, I will be giving you information on how to give an access directly from Meta Business Manager. So thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.